Hello, Mr. Wallman. This is Francisco Javier Avendano Diaz, csc110, Spring 2019, extra credit number 7. So the exercise is asking us to decrypt ciphertext, which is this one. Sorry, this one. So the cipher test has two different chips. So I had to. So even works has chip number 2 and odd works has chip number 1. So what I did, I use a previous function to encrypt a test. So the first functions encrypt just a letter. Doesn't matter if it's lower or capital letter, so they will encrypt it. So I use that function as a helper function to encrypt a sentence, a word. That was what I did before. But I use these functions to decrypt my current code. The only thing I changed was first I found the two different the two chips. One was 13 and the second one was 7. I used this the very first function to find it out, and after that I just use this function. So I went through a for loop to find out if there is space or it's a work. So I use like the first work is achieve 1, and then after it's a space. So if it's the next one is not achieve 1, it's achieves 2, and then they go through the loop through the sentence every time I'm going to go through the sentence, and then they will use decrypt the sentence after going through each work, and they will return the decrypt string. So let's use this. So the code was a nobleman compares an estimating cell by an idea that is higher than himself, and a mean man by one lower than himself. The one produces inspiration, the other ambition, which is the way in which a vulgar man aspires. Thank you.